everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row, and today we are actually going to go to Dollar General and pick up boxes. We are getting cardboard boxes because they're we're gonna show you how to do a Back to Eden garden, a lasagna garden, a no-till garden, whatever you want to call it, but we first need cardboard boxes. So come along with us to Dollar General. So we're back at the farm, and this is the space that we call the cage. It's right next to our raised beds. And I don't know if you can see our dairy cow and her baby, Peach and Cream, and Maggie running around back there. But this is the space. It's really, really long and big. So what we'll do here is we're going to get the cardboard that we just got from Dollar General, and we're gonna put it all over. I mean, we won't have one space covered. And even some of this like weed that's growing right here, right in the edges, we'll go ahead and pull that. We're just gonna make everything weed free. We don't want grasses growing. So we're gonna lay the cardboard down, and even overlapping in some cases, because you don't want any weeds popping up. The black trash bags are full of leaves. We'll put that on the very top. What we'll do is we'll wet the cardboard, and then we'll put on, you see our one pile of manure. We have like 80 of these. We'll spread that on top of the cardboard and then put the leaves on top. So let's get to it. So here is our finished product. We have lots and lots of deep leaves in here. This will draw in worms to go ahead and, you know, eat through a lot of this stuff. It's a great thing. You should try it. Here is right next to the cage, and we have, we're starting to put cardboard down. All of this junk that you see to the right is going to be gone, and we'll have cardboard, and what's on top of it is compost. And on this stretch of land that I'm getting ready to show, we're actually going to cover this on top of that compost with these wood chips that you see here. They've been sitting for almost a year, and so they've composted pretty well, and we're going to put that right on top for a great mulch. It does great weed suppression. Down here we are also going to do cardboard, compost, and wood chips. So we will let you know which one is better. And remember, if we can no-till garden, anybody can. Thanks. Bye.